1,000 subscribers, I shave off my whole face.
Hey everybody, I'm Georgette.
And I'm William.
We don't have a mic. Hey everybody, I'm Georgette.
And I'm William.
And this is Club 1901. Today we are hanging out at Port Orleans, French Quarter. We're going to show you the resort, have some food, have some beignets, and just have a good day here at the resort.
Let's do this.
When you walk into the resort, it has a very New Orleans vibe to it. The Mardi Gras theming is pretty throughout, and you can't go wrong with some gold doubloons and a fountain. So the gift shop here is called Jackson Square. I'm going to show you some of the things they have here at the store, but they have a variety of everything from stuff you'll find in the park as well as stuff that is specific to Port Orleans. The gift shop is going to have your typical merchandise that every gift shop has. Right now we're in the holiday season, so you're going to have the Halloween holiday merchandise. There's going to be your typical Walt Disney World merchandise that we all know and love. But something I really like is the Princess and the Frog merchandise. And we all need a beignet all day t-shirt when we're staying at Port Orleans. Everything from resort-specific bags, t-shirts, water bottles, and scarves. If French Quarter is your favorite resort, you want to pick up one of those ornaments. Can't go wrong with beignet mix. They also have spices for gumbo as well as jambalaya, and check out those beignet ears. You're also going to find all of your medical supplies, toothbrushes, diapers, sunscreen, all of the things you might need or may have forgotten. Okay, so now that we've checked out Jackson Square, let's go over and check out the rest of the resort. We're making our way into the Sassagoula Float and Food Factory. This is basically the quick service area here at the resort. The French Quarter doesn't have a sit-down restaurant, so this is going to be the main area to come and get your food. Walking through here, you really feel like you're in New Orleans. Look at the gates and the balconies everywhere. That's very common in New Orleans. We're making our way over to show you the pool area, but as we're walking, we came across these guys right here. It looks like they're a part of a Mardi Gras band, but look at the way this alligator is looking at me. But this guy is really cool. I mean, you can't go wrong with an alligator playing a saxophone. As we walk into the pool area, I have to say that this gesture is creeping me out a little bit. The theming of the pool is supposed to be this sea serpent with King Triton at the helm. The overall pool area was very quiet on the day that we visited. I do like that there's a slide, but the fact that you're sliding down the serpent's tongue is a little bit creepy for me as someone who is afraid of all things that slither. Overall, the pool is themed very well. I do love seeing the alligators all throughout the pool area. This little shell right here is hiding some alligators playing some jazz music. I just couldn't stop staring at those. I thought they were really cute. And of course, the pool area is going to have life jackets and other things to keep you occupied. They had Connect 4 as well as cornhole and some other games that you could play. Okay, it's hot as Hades out here, but we just had a look around the pool area. I have to say, I was a little scared at first because the sea serpent looks like a snake to me, and I'm scared of snakes, but it's not. I just kept telling myself it's a sea serpent, and King Triton seemed to have it under control, so I was fine. What'd you think?
The pool? There's always that, I don't know, when I bring my kids to the pool, I'm always fearing that they're going to drown. When I'm at a Disney pool, I never feel that way. These lifeguards are like sharks, man. Pacing back and forth. They make me feel uncomfortable. But they are on the job, I'm telling you. There's back and forth, back and forth. They never stop. They're animals. They're the best lifeguards I've ever seen in my life.
So something really cool to remember about Port Orleans is they have these 4-strong carriage rides. They are super fun. Well, I would think they're fun. I don't know. I've never done it.
Do them so bad.
Yeah, I want to do them so bad. So I'm just gonna say they're super fun because, of course, they are. Maybe one day we'll come back and ride the horses. But for now, let's go check out the rest of the resort. Okay, so because it's hot as Hades out here, we're gonna go over to the pool bar and see if they have something non-alcoholic to drink, because the last thing I need is to be more dehydrated. Let's go see what they got. French Quarter has a really cute pool bar. It is called Mardi Gras. Say that 3 times fast. They have an array of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. On the day we were there, we opted to get a frozen mango slushie and a frozen pina colada slushie. Those were about $6 a piece and very refreshing on a very, very hot summer day. So I'm not really sure what I want to eat, but I'm thinking jambalaya. I don't know, it's been a long time since I've had jambalaya, but maybe we'll try it just to see. Okay, so we both want jambalaya, but I want to get gumbo and jambalaya for the video. So now he's trying to play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the jambalaya.
I get a jambalaya. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What? No. Ready?
Good, because you would have won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No.
I won. I get jambalaya, you get gumbo.
Then we'll share.
Yeah. I got the jambalaya that I won in rock, paper, scissors.
It's got cornbread, man. Gotta get no cornbread.
And he got the gumbo. But because I like to be fair, we asked for an extra plate, so we're basically gonna split.
Are you gonna split the cornbread? Are you gonna split the cornbread? Bite of the jambalaya. It's hot. Temperature wise, spice wise, I don't think it's super spicy. It's actually just right. Okay, so this is how much we like the jambalaya. I would give it like a 9 out of 10. But now I'm gonna try the gumbo and let you know how that is. Here's my half of the gumbo. It honestly, what's throwing it off for me is the color of it. The color is kind of gross. I mean, who wants to eat something brown?
You smell that? Take a deep breath through the nose. Really let that seep in. What are you getting? I don't know why, but overall it just smells like the color brown. Your thoughts?
Make sure you thumbs up the video. I do not like the gumbo. I don't like it. I don't like the color. I don't like the smell. I don't like the flavor. It's not for me. Try it for yourself. You decide. I would give it a 4. I can't even talk about it anymore.
So the jambalaya tastes so good, and the spices linger in your mouth for so long. And when I ate the jambalaya, is it the jambalaya? Gumbo?
Gumbo.
When I ate the gumbo, the spices lingered into the gumbo. It made the gumbo taste good to me. The spices started to wear off. The gumbo didn't taste that good. I wouldn't order the gumbo. Just the jambalaya.
I gave the jambalaya a 9 out of 10, and I gave the gumbo a 4 out of 10.
It wasn't that low. I would say like a 5 out of 10 for gumbo. Jambalaya, I give like a 8.5 or 9. I'd say a 9. I think I agree with her.
Now that we're done with our food, we're gonna go and show you the rest of the resort.
So if you hit 1,000 subscribers, I shave off my whole face. Not the eyebrows, just the beard. I shave all this off. All of it be gone. 1,000 subscribers. Make it happen. Just hit the button.
We're gonna head over to the Scat Cat Cafe so we can get some of those famous Mickey bendies. We got the Ghoulish Delights. Now it's time to see if they're ghoulicious. This is what it looks like. Yummy, yummy. It's really hot. Ow. You always start with a Mickey here on a Mickey beignet. It's just the rule. So the Mickey beignets are good. I am not a big fan of icing or like the artificial flavor that icing has. So I wasn't a fan of the icing, but the icing is very minimal. But overall, it's a really good beignet. It's super cute, Halloween themed. I would definitely get it again because, again, the icing is very minimal. It doesn't have a whole lot of that powdered sugar, which I'm not really a powdered sugar fan either. Just like a plain classic beignet with some caramel icing. But I do like it's like an oatmeal cookie that's been like crushed up and crumbled. I do like that. Overall, they're very pretty. And you get 3 of them for $7.49, which isn't terrible, but you can get the original Mickey beignets 6 for $10.99. Now that we got nice and cooled off, we're gonna go back outside in the heat and show you the rest of the French Quarter. There's some gardens, some fountains, and we're gonna go check all of those out now. As we're walking around and looking at the different sections of the resort, something I have to say that I really like is all the shade. Like, look at all the shade behind me. You can see the difference on this side, how bright and sunny it is, but look at all that shade coverage. So that's like a plus in my book. I love all the shade here. Just look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I love the color of the banisters for the staircase and the balconies. That's so cute. But we're walking into this little garden area right here. Look, there's even shade here too. Nice shaded bench. This is a really nice place to just kind of sit and relax. Really like this section right here. The magnolia trees behind me, they really give you good shade and they're so pretty.
Water looks pretty clean, huh?
So this area behind me is not as shaded as the other section that I just showed you, but you can't go wrong with a fountain that has frogs shooting water at each other. That is so adorable. And I'm sure that depending on the time of the day, it is much more shaded. You can see on this side, there's a little shade cover. On the other side, it's really bright. But this would be a great place to just come and sit and just relax after a long day at the parks. But there's something else that I really love about this resort, and I'm gonna go show that to you right now. So I'm making my way over to show you one of my most favorite parts about this resort, but I really have to tell you that the overall quiet vibe is something that is just so relaxing. I could literally hang out here every day. It's maybe becoming one of my favorite resorts. There it is, the Sassagoula River is the prettiest part of the resort. Just look at how beautiful this is. That's gonna be it for us here at the French Quarter. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things Disney.
Subscribe so I can shade this off. Thumbs up. All of our videos, just go back in there and start hitting them thumbs, you know. Yeah, we hit 1,000 subscribers, shaving the face off. Not the eyebrows, just the face. If I hit 1 million, I'll shave the eyebrows.
Oh Lord. Until next time.
Bye.